In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background color in Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account, then next in the left panel, click on campaigns. Then next is click on the edit button beside the email you would like to edit. Then click on edit design to launch the email builder. Now once inside, click on a specific section where you want to change the background color. Then in the left panel, switch from content to styles. And here you'll see color. Just click on the menu to choose a color. And here you can scroll through the color palette to get your desired color for your background. And you can also paste a hex code to match your brand colors. So you can put it here in this text box and instantly the background color for this specific section will change. If you want to apply the same color for your whole site, just repeat the same process by clicking on each section one by one and copy the same hex code. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!